Okay, dear students, let us see how to do this question. Which graph shows the variation of time with time t of the kinetic energy of the object undergoing simple harmonic motion of time period capital T? Now, time period is also given in this question. So, my dear students, again, this question can be done in a simple method like SL method, or you can go for the HL method also, which you would be doing in the topic 9. But, anyways, I am going to tell you a very simple method now. What is that? You see, you have to always remember two things, and with the help of these two things, you can always reach the right conclusion. Now, what is that? Point number one: kinetic energy is a scalar quantity. It cannot be negative. It is always greater than or equal to zero. So either the body is at rest or the body is moving. So there is no scene of negative kinetic energy. It's not possible. So, by this conclusion, by this point, you can say that A is wrong and B is wrong. Why? Because they have the negative graph. Negative graph is not possible. Number one. Number two is that whenever you create a graph of kinetic energy, the frequency of that graph is double the frequency of the displacement graph or the velocity graph. So the frequency here is double. It means that the time period here for the kinetic energy graph will be half. Or you can say that because the frequency is double, there will be two waves in the same time period. So if this is the kind of displacement and the capital T is given as the total time period, so it means that from 0 to T, there should be two waves. And that is happening only in this case. You see, this is the time period, this is one wavelength, this is the second wavelength for the graph. So you can say the frequency is 2 and here the frequency is 1 because up to T only one wavelength has been completed. By using these 2 points, we can always say that yes, the answer is D. Here you can write that frequency will be double the frequency of displacement. So frequency of kinetic energy is double the frequency of displacement. By using these 2 points, you would be able to reach the answer every time. So my dear students, let us verify the answer from the mark scheme. And yes, the answer is D. My dear students, this is Professor Varun. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. All the best.